The SURAIELEC Pool Timer L5-20R features a secure twist-lock plug that ensures safety by preventing accidental disconnections while providing stable power for various pool equipment. This mechanical timer offers up to 3 daily on and off cycles, allowing easy customization without the need for digital programming or Wi-Fi connectivity. Designed for outdoor use, the timer has a weatherproof housing that protects against water, dust, and cold, making it perfect for year-round operation. Installation is straightforward with a plug-in design that requires no wiring or professional assistance, making it a quick and cost-effective solution for automating pool equipment. The device supports high power loads, making it ideal for managing pool pumps, heaters, filters, and lighting, thereby reducing energy waste and prolonging the life of the equipment. Overall, the SURAIELEC Pool Timer L5-20R is a reliable and efficient tool for automating pool maintenance tasks, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency.